All right, here I am in my kitchen. And currently there's this chair right in the middle of my kitchen because I need to get up here. So this is, let's call it a beam, a concrete beam. And it's got a piece of rope that's under tension going through it. It doesn't have any rebar in it. And it has a crack. This is the worst crack I've got. But this one over here has a little crack. It doesn't even go all the way through. And then this one back here has a crack right there. And it's just these front beams, like the 4 beams toward the front of the house. Because when I build my house, most of the house is on old clay that's been compacted over a long period of time. It's just the front of the house that's on newer clay, so that's settled when I put all this weight on it. It appears to not be moving anymore. So I think it's time to fill in the cracks. This is just packaging material from some batteries. I'm thinking that I can put this stuff around here and then pour some cementy water in the top. All right, I'll probably leak a little, but it might work. All right, there's my crack. Pulled a bit of stuff out of the top here, so I have a decent sized little spot to get it in there. So I guess I'll mix up some. First I need to make sure this is wet. And then I need to mix up some really soupy cement. Probably no sand. Maybe I'll put some sand in toward the end. But the sand's not going to make it down to the bottom, so pretty much just cement and water. All right. Get some water in there first. If I put a bunch of cement in there, wet cement, with it dry, the concrete will suck up the moisture too quick and it won't be able to run down there. Kind of a long way down to the bottom of the crack, so I'm going to start with really liquidy. Hopefully that made it to the bottom. And then I'll add a bit more cement, put some more in, keep adding more cement until hopefully maybe too thick. Go on, get in there, get in there. Well, I guess I'll wait a while and see. Looks good from here. Well, I think I can take this off now. Alright, don't drop anything on your head. Well, it looked pretty good, so I did a bit of spackling around, filling in some of this stuff. I probably should have spackled this at the beginning. I wouldn't have had so much stuff leak out. But yeah, maybe on the next one, I'll just spackle around the crack and just use that as the barrier and then pour stuff in. Okay. That was 2 years ago, and now we've got this. This does have a hairline crack, the bottom part here, but up there, yeah, there's no visible crack. So it looks like this is pretty much not moving, and then this one over here, I can see where the crack used to be because, I can just see where it's filled in. But there appears to be no opening at all. So yeah, it seems like the building is pretty much stable at this point, which is excellent. So I think I'm gonna clear myself to do the second floor cracks, which are not very big. That's gonna be a pain to do because I can't get in it from the top. Well, whatever, I'll figure out how to, I could just drill a hole in the top, spackle on here, pour in, whatever, I'll figure it out. And that's good because I'm gonna be building the actual third floor soon. This is all temporary stuff I put in so I could build the roof. But that's all coming out and I'm getting wood for the third floor. So I wanna get all these cracks filled in before I start building up there. Oh, that's gonna be exciting. Gymnasium. Oh, I gotta get a trampoline soon. Oh, I gotta get a trampoline.